Hey there, Next Reach reviewers. Today we'll be unboxing a special pair of headphones that I'm buying for myself, the Sony WH-1000XM3s. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and follow the social medias that will be in the description. Sorry for the audio. The audio was a bit poor on this video, but that's due to some audio issues with my computer, but we'll get back to it now. So here are the Sony WH-1000XM3s. The box is pretty neat. It's covered up with plastic. Here on the back you can see all these specs. It has a bunch of touch sensor controls on it. A very neat pair of headphones. I'm going to be unboxing it with a special utility blade, knife, card shaped tool. Packaging was quite difficult to open because it was very sealed and tight. But nonetheless, I got it open. Some satisfying plastic unveiling there. Kind of messed it up while cutting into the box, but that shouldn't be too big of a problem. So here I'm about to showcase the headphones. Well, first set of packaging. Super clean unboxing experience, very nice. Just a setup guide over here for the app and headphone update for the firmware. Here's the case, very nice case, hard case, great for traveling, great for storing the headphones when you're not using them. It's high quality, the zipper, the mesh, everything about the case is great. In the box, there's just some instruction manuals, some warranty papers, and nothing much in there. A pretty good quality box. As I said, the unboxing experience was quite good with this box. So now we're going to be taking a look at the actual headphones. Here you can see me looking at the case and putting up the headphones. And there it is, the Sony WH-1000XM3s. Beautiful pair of headphones, looks great, feels great. I'm recording this on an iPhone 8 Plus, so the quality isn't too good, but I was trying to get the slight details of the headphone. Super light pair of headphones. Just checking out the case here. Seems as if they have the outline for the headphones in the case. Just to remember where to put it back, I guess. Or which sides to put the headphones back in. A neat little feature there. It also comes with an aux cable, just a regular sound cable, and some other attachments. It's pretty high quality aux cable there. Here we have the airplane attachment for when traveling. Still don't understand why these are around, but comes with the headphones, which is quite nice. And lastly, the USB-C to USB-A charger. I personally don't use this charger because it's quite short. I have another USB-C to USB-C charger, but it's still high quality and works just as great. Just the length is quite short. So here we have the headphones once again, looking very nice, very high quality in terms of build quality. super light, and also doesn't feel cheap at all. As you can see, as I'm touching it, a bunch of marks are coming on the headphones. My hands were quite oily. I won't lie about that. Nice mark at the top. Both sides. WH-1000XM3s. Beautiful pair of headphones. Here we have the power button, noise control and ambient sound control buttons, and the aux input on one side and the power button on the other side.